Thank you very much, Elliot. Welcome to Medsoul African Motives. We are still on Consumer Studies Grade 10, Term 3 notes. In this presentation, we are going to talk about choosing a textiles. Choosing a textiles. As it says, when choosing a textiles for clothing or furnishings, consider the following. That is that. That is when you are choosing one textile for clothing or furnishings, you are to consider the following. So when you are buying clothing or soft furnishings, consumers should choose textiles that are suitable for their needs. So you have to consider factors as such as fashion, suitability, fiber properties, price, as well as environmental impact. But right now, let us first start by the fashion. So with fashion now, as it says, is it modern? That is that. So meaning to say you are to choose clothing or fabric that matches current styles. If fashion is important to you, for example, a learner may choose a modern denim jacket because it's currently fashionable. So that is what you're trying to say. Does it suit current trends? Does it suit current trends? So some fabrics and colors become popular at certain times. For example, a neutral colored linen clothing is popular fashion trend during summer. So that is that. Remember, fashion changes over time, but classic styles often stay fashionable for many years. Hope we are together. Let us be on suitability. Let us be on suitability. So there's one of the factors that you have to look at, suitability. Choose the fabric according to its purpose, suitability. So suitability means choosing fabric that is appropriate. You're choosing fabric that is appropriate for its intended purpose. That's when we're talking about suitability. We are saying you are choosing a fabric, choosing fabric that is appropriate, that is appropriate for its intended purpose, for its intended purpose, for its intended purpose. So now we are given the examples. We have cotton, summer clothing. So cotton is a lightweight, breathable, and absorbs sweat, making it suitable for hot weather. So that is that. Get that straight. So example that you can make is that a cotton t-shirt keeps a person cool on hot summer day. So now we have wool winter clothing. We know that wool traps body heat and keeps the people warm during cold water. You can talk of a wool jersey that is worn during winter to stay warm. Then we have linen, that is tablecloths. Linen is strong. Linen is strong, attractive, and absorbs moisture well, making it suitable for table linen. For example, a linen tablecloth is often used for special family meals. So that is that. Then we have polyester blends. When you can talk of school uniforms. So polyester blends are durable, wrinkle resistant, and easy to wash. For example, many school uniforms are made from polyester or cotton because they stay neat throughout it. So that is that when we talk of suitability. So another factor that we have to look at is fiber properties. Fiber properties. So before buying a fabric, consider its important characteristics. That is where we are to consider. That is where we are to consider strength, strength, fabrics resist tearing and last longer. That is that. Strong fabrics resist tearing and they last long. For example, a denim is strong enough for everyday jeans. Then warm, you are to consider the warmth. Some fibers help keep the body warm by trapping heat. Like we can talk of wool blankets, which we know very well, can keep people warm during winter. Softness, softness, softness. Soft fabrics feel comfortable against the skin. That is that we can talk of cotton baby clothes are very soft and comfortable. Then stretch. With stretch now, stretch fabrics allow easy movement. They allow easy movement. We can talk of, for example, sports leggings stretch during exercises. So it allows that movement that we're talking about. A brave, a brave ability. So we have the brave ability. So with this brave ability, breathable fabrics allow air to circulate, remember, and this keeps the body cool. So that is that. Water absorption. Some fabrics absorb sweat and water better than others. And then we have wrinkle resistance. Polyester, we can talk of polyester shade, stay smooth after washing. That's when we talk of wrinkle resistance because wrinkle resistant fabrics, they need and require less ironing. Now let's come to price. Let's come to price. With price is an important factor when choosing a textile. Price is an important factor when you're choosing a textile. Think about the budget. So buy fabrics that you can afford without overspending. The family may choose a cotton cloth because it fits their budget. Hope we are together. Value for money. Consider whether the item is worth the price based on its quality and lifespan. For example, a good quality school uniform may cost more but last for several years. That is when you're talking about value for money. Durability. A durable fabric lasts long, reducing the need for replacement. For example, a durable blanket can be used for many winters. So that is that. So sometimes paying more saves money because the item lasts long. So expensive items may be better quality and need replacing less often. So that is that. Now, good people, let us move. Let us move on to choosing furnitures. Let us move on to choosing furnitures. We are on choosing. Oh, no, 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 not choosing furnitures, but we are to be on environmental concerns. Sorry, we are to be on environmental concerns. Environmental concerns. So as one of the factors that we are to look at, choose the fabrics that last longer. So long-lasting fabrics reduce waste because they do not need frequent replacement. For example, we can talk of durable cotton school bag, can be used for several years, can be recycled. Some fabrics can be reused to make new products. You find old cotton clothing can be recycled into cleaning cloths and new textile. That is what we are saying. They are biodegradable. So biodegradable fabrics break down naturally after disposal. For example, cotton linen decompose naturally over time. Use fewer resources to produce. Some fabrics require less water, chemicals, or energy production. So that is that. Then we have example as we have bamboo. You know, a bamboo is a renewable fiber that grows quickly and is biodegradable. So bamboo towels are an environmental friendly choice. Cotton, a natural fiber that is biodegradable and recyclable. You can recycle it. Cotton clothing can be reused or recycled. So that is that. Then we have linen. We have linen. So it is that natural fiber made from flax that is durable and biodegradable. So that is that. So that is that. So now let us go to choosing soft furnishings. Choosing soft furnishing. as it says, choosing soft furnishings. Then we have examples with kittens. Kittens. Soft furnishings are fabric items used to decorate or furnish at home. So those are called soft furnishings. So this is what we are saying, soft furnishings. I'm saying those are fabric items used to decorate, or furnish a home. So that is that. So now we have examples of soft furnishings as we have curtains. Curtains, those are fabric used to cover windows for privacy and decoration. The curtains. So, for example, cotton curtains help keep sunlight out of bedroom. Then we have bedding. Those are items such as sheets, pillowcase, blankets, duvet that covers used for sleeping. Then we have cushions. When you talk of a cushion that is when we talk of soft padded items placed on chairs or sofas for comfort and decoration. Then we have tablecloths. Tablecloths, those are fabric used to cover and protect tables while improving appearance. So that is that. Now choosing the right fabric for soft furnishings. Choosing fabrics that are strong. The fabric should withstand regular use without tearing. That's what we are trying to say. And then easy to clean, easy to easy to clean. So easy to clean, that means you have said it's supposed to be strong. Easy to clean. Easy to clean. The fabric should be simple to wash or wipe. Like polyester cushion covers are easy to wash. Then it must also be attractive. Attractiveness is that the color and text and design should improve the appearance of the room. Then we have suitable for their purpose. Choose a fabric that matches how item will be used. That is very important. So this is the end of this presentation. Thank you very much for your time. Please make use of this presentation as it is very important for you. Your term 3 content.